Good morning. This is a recording for Tuesday, January 13th. Today's practice is titled Solid, Liquid, Vapor, and it is designed to transform heavy feeling tension into more lightness. So take a comfortable position and take a nice, satisfying breath in and a long breath out. If there is any area of your body that's tense and the tension feels heavy or blocked, this is a great exercise to break it up. First, allow your awareness to rest on that area of tension. Tune into the sensation of heaviness, denseness, solidity. Maybe the area feels blocked or is weighing you down somehow. Noticing the solidity. Feel as if this area begins to liquefy. Solid slowly becomes liquid, melting and liquefying. Area becoming more fluid, lighter, more subtle. And now becomes subtler still, tension vaporizes, liquid to vapor, up and out, away from your body. Tension turned from solid to liquid to vapor. Try on another area of your body now, noticing the tension. First, feel it as solid, heavy, dense. And then let it melt, liquefy, loosen. And finally, vaporize, diffuse, disperse. Feeling light and free now. Repeat this process with another area of tension if you like. Solid, liquid, vapor. Tension becomes more and more subtle, moving up and out, away from your body. When all tension is vaporized, take a few moments of stillness to appreciate this new sensation of lightness, subtlety, freedom. Now bring your hands to your heart And as always, send the energy of loving kindness to yourself. May I be filled with loving kindness. May I be well in body and mind. May I feel cared for, protected, at ease. May I remember that I have enough, I do enough, and I am enough. May I touch deep, natural peace. As you gently let go of the practice, scan your body and notice what's going on for you right now, physically, emotionally, mentally. How are you, really? And as you go through your day today, I invite you to continue practicing this process, making it a habit bit by bit, getting aware of your body's tension, melting it, liquefying it, and then diffusing it into vapor, solid to liquid to vapor, up and out, away from your body. And enjoy the resulting lightness, even if it becomes just a little bit lighter. Thank you so much for being here today. Tomorrow is Wednesday with Lorna's breathing practice, and I will see you on Thursday. Have a beautiful day.